Your memory is not bad. Your brain just never decided what you told it was worth keeping. Imagine you read something important, you highlight it, you read it again, you feel like you have got it. And then 3 days later, it is completely gone. Not fuzzy, just gone. And you think, what is wrong with my memory? But nothing is wrong with your memory. Your brain made a decision. It looked at what you gave it and quietly decided, not important, not emotional enough, not repeated enough, and let it go. Forgetting is not a failure, it is your brain being ruthlessly efficient. The problem is you never told it what actually mattered. Here is what your brain actually needs to store something permanently: emotion. Your amygdala flags emotional experiences as important and tells your brain to encode them deeply. That is why you remember your most embarrassing moment from 15 years ago but cannot remember what you read last Tuesday. And repetition. Every time you revisit something at increasing intervals, your brain decides it must be important and encodes it more deeply each time. And retrieval. The act of trying to remember something is what actually builds the memory, not rereading it, not highlighting it, closing the book and trying to recall it. That struggle is the memory being reconstructed in real time. So here is the framework: space it, revisit what you learned one day later, and then 3 days later, and 1 week later. Your brain needs to see it coming back to decide it matters, and then recall it actively. Close the notes and try to remember. Get it wrong, that is fine. Getting it wrong and finding the right answer actually builds a stronger memory than getting it right the very first time. And attach something personal to it, like a story, a connection, or a reason it matters to you. Emotion is not a distraction from memory. It is the mechanism your brain uses to make things permanent. And the most important is sleep. This is the one most people skip. Memory consolidation, moving information from short term to long term storage, happens almost entirely during sleep. You can learn all day and lose most of it in one bad night. Sleep is not rest from learning. Sleep is where the learning actually gets filed. Follow, because a better memory is not a gift, it is a skill. And your brain is ready to learn it. Thank you.